guys, Rocky here, and for today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin is yung recruitment process sa work from home. Para sa mga taong wala pang experience sa pag-a-apply sa kahit sa anong company or BPO or call center, meron kasing two ways kung paano ka mag-a-apply. Yung first is mag-walk-in ka kung alam mo namang mayroon silang job opening. Then, you can just go to the company and then bibigay mo lang yung resume mo. And then, ila-line up ka nila for the exam. Kung meron siyang exam and then interviews. Yung ibang company, para sabihin sa'yo yung result nung application mo, they will give you yung note. Everyone will get a note at the end of the application process. And then, you will know guys kung nakapasa kayo o hindi kasi meron ng congratulations and thank you for your interest. Along those lines guys. Depende dun sa company, yung iba, they will just tell you right away if you pass or not. Yung iba naman is they choose to do that para siguro to keep the morale of the applicants. Another way to apply in a traditional setup is by sending your resume. So, si recruitment, ang gagawin niya lang dyan is i-check niya yung resume mo, tapos titignan nila kung okay ka o hindi, and then they will invite you. Once na dumating ka doon, then same process. Magtitake ka ng exam and then you will do interviews. Depende. The number of interviews depends on the company. Yung iba, isa lang. Yung iba, dalawa. So, kapag isa lang, normally, yung nag-i-interview sa'yo is from operations. Hindi na siya dadaan sa HR. So, kapag dalawa naman, yung HR, and then once you pass the HR, then i-interviewin ka ng someone from the operations, and then yung boss ng operations. Kaya nagiging tatlo. Depende dun sa diskarte ng company. That's the traditional recruitment process. Now, let's go to the freelancing or sa work from home recruitment process. Pagdating sa work from home recruitment, iba-iba rin sila ng diskarte. Kapag direct client ka, mas less hassle or mas less yung drama. Kapag ang na-applyan mo ay isang agency, medyo influence na rin sila ng traditional hiring process. Anong agency ang sinasabi mo? Work from home ang pinag-uusapan natin. Yes guys, tama yung dinig nyo. Meron na rin mga agency sa freelancing. Actually, dumadami na nga yung mga agency sa freelancing. Usually, sila yung mga dating nag-freelance lang, tapos nakuha na nila yung diskarte, so nag-put up sila ng sarili nilang agency. So, para silang middleman. Kaya may pagka-influence sila ng traditional hiring process dito sa Philippines. Kasi yung may-ari ng mga agencies ay mga Pinoy. Kapag direct client ang nag-reply sa'yo, normally, just an interview is enough for you to get hired. Yung iba nagbibigay ng exam. Some of them, you don't need to go through any interviews. You just have to send your portfolio. And if they like you, they will just hire you. Yung iba sa chat lang. Ako, one time sa chat lang kami nag-usap. Na-hire na ako. O kaya sa WhatsApp lang kayo mag-uusap. Hired ka na. Legit naman yon. Depende talaga dun sa diskarte rin ni client kung paano yung recruitment process nila. Kasi na-experience ko rin ang panel interview. But most of the time, invite ka ni client for an interview via WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord, or Zoom. And once you talk to the client, kapag nagustuhan ka niya, some of them, they will just hire you directly. And some of them, they will decide after they talk to the other applicants. Sa mga wala pang experience, pagdating sa mga interviews, ang suggestion ko sa inyo is i-google nyo yung mga common questions sa interviews and then practice. At ngayon pa lang, isipin nyo na kung ano yung niche ninyo. Kapag nakapag-decide na kayo kung ano yung niche ninyo, pag-aralan nyo na kung paano siya gawin. Kasi zero experience doesn't mean zero skills. Sa ngayon kasi, meron na tayong YouTube Academy. So, even if you don't have the experience, but you are knowledgeable because pinag-aralan mo na siya, mas madali kang makakahanap ng work, mas madali na rin yung magiging journey mo kapag nag-start ka na mag-work kasi meron ka ng alam. You don't have the formal experience, pero you know what you are doing kasi pinag-aralan mo na siya ahead of time. At para naman sa mga taong marurupok ang puso pagdating sa rejection or kinakabahan or ayaw mag-apply because natatakot silang ma-reject, it's okay guys. Kung ma-reject kayo, it's okay because hindi na kayo magkikita ulit ng tao na yan. And they will never remember you. And at some point, makakalimutan mo rin sila at all. And always remember, if na-reject ka, you are not the first person na naka-experience ng rejection. Everyone experience rejection. If hindi ka natanggap dun sa work, Kunyari yun talaga, kahit yun pa yung pinakagusto mo, pinaghandaan mo, if hindi ka natanggap, it's okay. Isipin mo na lang na it's not really for you. And there is a better opportunity na para sa iyo. Yung pag-attend mo ng mga interviews, pagtatry, just take it as your practice para dun sa job na talagang para sa iyo. It may take a while for some, it's okay. Because life is not supposed to be easy and boring. Life is full of surprises. Life is actually an adventure. So, enjoy the ride until you succeed. And that's it for today's guys. Hopefully, this video helps you in a way, lalo na dun sa mga aspiring na freelancers. And kung sa tingin nyo is nabigyan ko kayo kahit papano ng idea what's happening sa freelancing world, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for visibility na rin para dun sa ibang aspiring na freelancers at gusto na lang magkaroon ng idea what's happening in the freelancing world. Oh, i-wait ko na yan bago ako mag-end. Thank you very much for liking my video if you did, and thank you very much for subscribing if you did as well. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hanggang sa muli.